Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, for you guys today I have a video where I am going to explain how you can convert your cryptos in Binance, okay? Whatever it is, in my specific case, I need some Tron, so I will convert my USDT and I will convert it to Tron and follow the procedures, the different steps that you need to take to do it, okay? Now, don't forget guys down below to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Any comments, any doubts, leave on below in the comment section. And now let's go guys to the video. Well, if you are, I'm doing this obviously on my mobile, okay? If you are doing it on your mobile, you need to change to Binance Pro, because previously I had the Binance, the basic, and it doesn't allow you to these types of functions that you have on the Pro version. Okay, so what you need to do, this is the main page on home. Now you need to go to wallets, bottom right, wallets, all right? And now you see up here on the top left overview, and you need to change to spots. All right, now on spots you have your different balances, all right? And now you need, in my case, I will click on, because I only have available funds on USDT, so I'll click there, USDT. And as you can see, here on the middle of the screen you have trades, Binance, earn, buy crypto and sell crypto. Now I want to trade and convert my USDT to Tron, so I will click on trades. And now I want to convert. I click on convert, and now I will insert the amount that I want. So I'm going to convert everything. So I click on max on here on the right. I'm going to change from BTC to Tron. Okay, TRX. Now, and down below on the yellow box preview, click there, and you see 11.7, you're going to receive 178 Tron. Don't forget, this conversion, after a few seconds, it ends, and if you want to do it, you need to click again on refresh, and now convert. And the conversion has been successful. So if you want, you can go to view history, and you will see the different things that you have done, okay? Withdrawals, deposits, whatever, okay? And now I will go back, and on my spot, as you can see, I have 178 Tron, and all good there. Okay guys, so pretty simple steps to do to convert your cryptos. This is for Tron, but you could convert to Bitcoin, to Ripple, to whatever guys, whatever crypto you want, okay? So guys, if you enjoyed the video, down below don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on your notifications so that you can get all of my latest updates, alright? Also down below I have a link for you to join me on Binance, alright, here. And guys, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.